Matching outfits, matching outfits. Little beach Power Rangers. What's good with y'all, man? Good afternoon. So, as you can see, man, we got the Power Rangers back here. We got all the Power Rangers back there. We about to hit the beach right now, man. One of Phuket's best beaches. It's gonna be my first time kicking it at this beach, and from what I hear, it's a really beautiful beach. And today is good because it's rainy season in Thailand, but today has been a really beautiful day so far. So this is a perfect beach day, man. And y'all know I'm always bring y'all with me. So man, we got a few different things planned for today. So y'all just sit back, relax, man, enjoy the show, man. So let's hit this beach. Alright, so we are now at Harn Beach, one of Phuket's most beautiful beaches. They got a lot of nice boardwalks over here where you can walk, you can get you some food, and you can chill by the beach. And it's surrounded by some beautiful mountains, man. It's surrounded by all types of beautiful scenery, and I'm gonna get y'all some drone shots of that too. Let's get it. Let's see what's up. We got the Power Rangers with us.
We're gonna open song and then put bikini and then drink and then eat party. I want to look like I see like on his video on Brazil like the girl dance and drink. That I want to look like that. Look like that.
Oh, okay.
I want to dance and drink.
Oh yeah, man. So right now we're gonna go grab some drinks and some food before we go get us some chairs to sit by the beach. Man, he got his vlog going too, man. Y'all go subscribe. You about to get a massage on the beach? I'm about to say. Yeah, you can also get massages on the beach as well. Like, they have like chairs and stuff to where you can get a massage, stuff if you want to, and shop.
เหมือนแบบเหมือนเขาคุมลูกๆอ่ะเพราะเขาแต่งตัวไม่เหมือนคนอื่นเอานี่มันมีโซจูไหมนี่มีโซจูไหม
I got the little mini mart.
มีโซจูไหมคะเธอติดเท้าสั้นบาท
You got Lucky
cocktail bar
Lucky Cocktail Bar. What you about to make?
Huh?
What you about to make?
Cocktail soju cocktail
About to make some soju
I'm gonna
cocktail.
make big one
Okay.
1 2 3
Got some grape soju. You happy with that liquor start flowing, huh?
ว้าตายแน่แต่ละคนเล่นรอดแน่ออริจินัลอะไรโอเค two bottle for
Okay.
yeah because if we want more then we take more cannot do not buy cola with soju not good you know Gummy. Stop.
Okay.
This is gonna make soju taste good.
Okay.
Not what to talk about this.
Okay.
Gonna put so many color.
Yeah.
People. Cocktail. They're gonna put like jelly people. I like to eat this when I'm young. I love this one.
Jelly.
Yeah. I like to eat this when I'm young. I love this so much.
You got one inside too.
Okay. But this is hard to open. This one is.
Okay.
See? Oui. See that?
Yeah.
It's okay. Let's see to open.
Alright, did they copy you? They copied you? Your style? Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
เราใส่ชุดเด็กประถมได้ไหมใส่ชุดเด็กประถม
Cool girl.
ใส่ชุดเด็กประถมได้ไหม
As y'all can see, man, nice beach vibes over here. Got the mountains in the background. Cool little beach though, man. Come out here, put your feet in. Just chill, really. Like, it's all types of people down there. So Phuket is known for having some of the best beaches in the world, man. Like, a lot of people come to Phuket just to chill and lay on these beaches, man. You can sunbathe, you can exercise, you can get you a chair and just chill and drink, bring your dog for a walk, and do whatever you want to do out here. Check that water though, see what that water temperature look like. We actually gonna hike up this mountain right here tomorrow. So next video y'all see will probably be us hiking up that thing. But yeah, man. Oh, it feel good too, man. All right, man, we got TikToks going on over here again. Sure, what is this? What is this?
Oh, okay.
Alright, so we about to go swimming in this water. We actually gonna go see how it is, man. Take a little dip. Guess we're gonna go for a group swim. Everybody gonna change and take bikinis and stuff, so we're gonna go for a little group swim. Got bikinis on deck. Bikinis on deck, bikinis on deck. Whoa, 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 whoa. What we got going on here? Alright, man, so we about to just take a walk down the beach right now. We're gonna walk up and just, you know what I'm saying, chill. See what's up, bro. Just take a walk down. Oh, we can swim down here? Okay. Alright, well, we about to swim down here.
That's why all more people over here because
Oh, okay. Well, this is the swimming area over here, so you gonna come over here and take a swim real quick. Feel a little bit of the water. I think they even got like lifeguards over here and stuff as well. So we're gonna take a little swim. I would say, man, it feels good out here today. It's like a good break from the rain. It was raining like the last few days, bro.
Yeah.
But it's a cool little chill break from all the rain. Go walk down the beach. All right, they got us walking all the way to the end. I don't know what's all the way down there. I guess it's something down here maybe that they want us to walk to and see. So we're gonna go check that out. They're lucky running into a dog. Oh, yep. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it, running to the dog. Look at this. You know, Lucky gonna always find her a dog to pet. You want a dog? Yeah. Bro, y'all see these waves, bro? They got them surfing waves right now. They got them surfer waves. Look at these joints, bro. Look at these waves.
Bro, look at him though.
Oh, he going crazy. These some surfer waves, man. He just rode that mother. Yeah, man. The mountains, though, man. Look at them mountains back there. But yeah, you see that little joint up there? That's where we're gonna climb up.
Okay.
Yeah. Where you running to? All right, so we seen some jellyfish on the ground. So we decided we might chill a little bit on the swimming. Okay, we got Lucky over here with some salmon. What you cooking?
Salmon, papaya salad with salmon.
Oh, okay, new menu.
New menu.
Okay.
Then I gonna make my beef over there, up there,
Yeah, that's what we about to go up there and do
and
now.
then make pork for my friend.
Make pork, okay.
Yeah, have beef and pork. Then we gonna
What's this?
We're gonna make a chicken barbecue.
Chicken
Pork
barbecue?
barbecue, yeah.
Okay. So yeah, man, we about to have a little barbecue, man. We about to go upstairs and fire at the grill. Y'all see all the food we got here laid out. Got some Wagyu right here too. About to whip these burgers up. She making French fries over here. And she oiling up the French fries. So y'all see, man.
Yeah.
All right. Grill going right now. Lucky cooking some Australian beef right here. I got some Wagyu I'm over there cooking. Some burgers. Y'all see we got a whole little setup going on over here. Burgers, got the burgers, got the Thai food, Thai salad, the salmon, the rice, peppers. Then we got the jacuzzi on over here. Got the jacuzzi going. Oh, I guess she about to throw something in there. About to throw for bubbles.
Yeah.
Oh wow. It does smell good.
Okay. Don't OD now. I don't know how we're gonna clean it.
It's like the bath bomb.
Yeah, bad bomb.
ใส่นี่ไปอีกจะลงน้ำมันจะฉีกยังไงวะแล้วก็อันนี้ก็ตี
Chicken around.
Hello.
Making some chicken.
แซ่บมากมาก
Vegetables grilling.
mushroom with
Mushrooms and
butter.
เ
chicken.
ออบัตเตอร์
Okay.
เ
Okay.
Smell like butter.
Okay. Yeah, man. See that. Let's see what we got going on, man. Nice little dinner. Alright, man, we are on Patong, Bangla Road right now. Oh yeah, we are going. Oh yeah. All right, so right now we're at one of the best hip hop clubs in Phuket, Club Sugar. So we're about to go inside here and show y'all a little bit of the inside, and we're gonna drink a little bit, of course.
Overseas, couple G's and expenses. Gotta get it, I've been different since the entrance.